In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add a custom menu bar to your Google site. Fast open your website and selecting the Pages tab to open options for website navigation. Next, click New Page to begin creating a new section for your site's menu bar. Now, rename your new page in the Name input field and enter a clear label that will appear in your menu. Next, click New Page to create a new page for the menu bar. Once named, confirm by clicking the Done button that will appear in your menu. Next, open the Insert menu so you can add elements to this section. From the Insert options, choose Text Box and get ready to customize your menu by adding descriptive text. Type your menu label in the Input field, making sure it clearly identifies the page or link. After entering your label, insert a link and select the destination page, such as About Us, for your menu item. Apply these changes to save your new link in the menu. Continue building the menu by clicking another text field and entering the next menu label. Next, add a link for this menu item and choose its destination, such as the blog section. Finally, apply your changes to complete the setup for your custom menu bar. You've now added a customized menu bar to your Google site.